Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video we are going to learn how to toggle visibility in layers panel with Affinity. So first you need to find the layers panel as it is here, and if I want to toggle the visibility, you can see here we have the star shape, the ellipse shape and rectangle. To toggle the visibility you need to click right here to see the star shape, the ellipse shape, and click to see the rectangle. And if I want to hide it, click on toggle visibility to hide it from layers panel, just like this. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. So see you guys in the next video.